Happy birthday, Javion.
Happy birthday, son.
We love you so very much.
Love you more than anything. You mean the world to us, you hear me?
You are amazing, handsome, smart.
Strong, big chestnut.
Chestnut, you know the chestnut game. We in here strong.
Alright, continue to make us proud. Continue to do what you do.
We love you, shorty.
Hey, big 1-3. Don't think 'cause you're a teenager, you run nothing either.
But you know we always gonna have your back, no matter what.
I love you, son.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Gangsters, bad bitches and your ugly ass friends. Can I preach? Can I preach? I gotta show them how a pimp get it in. First, take your sip, do your dip, spend your money like money ain't. Ooh, we too fresh, got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag, they ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up.
Happy birthday, Javion.
Hey, number 1-3, what's going on with you?
We love you.
We're going to beat you up.
You're my first grandchild, and I am so proud of you. Continue to shine.
You might be my favorite, but I can't tell you that. Don't tell nobody.
We love you.
All right, happy birthday. Peace!
Oh.
See New York, you ain't ready. You ain't ready. We gotta show 'em. Let's go. Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so plain. Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so plain. Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so plain. Now, watch me break it down.
Happy birthday, Javion. Mama, I love you, and I wish you many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your big 13. I love you. Happy birthday, big man. Love you.
Get on up, New York, let's go. Tell me what y'all.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Javion. Official teenager, big 13. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Javion.
Raise up to the moon. What y'all trying to do?
It is there, man. Happy birthday, big 13. Your teenage years gonna be your best years. So make sure you make the best decision, man. Love you.
Happy birthday, grandson, a.k.a. Buddy. Look, it's 13 years old. Love you very much. My first grandson, the oldest grandson, but not the only grandson. So I can't tell you if my favorite or not, but you get the idea. So enjoy your birthday. Have fun. Enjoy it. Continue to do great things. Very proud of you. Love you very much.
You already know what time it is with me, man. I like to give a special shout out to my nephew, Javion. You know what I'm saying? You keep being a good kid, keep making your parents proud, getting them good grades in school. I see you getting big, boy. You're going to be able to slam your daddy on his head one day. Just don't do it to your Uncle G, because she know I'll pop out. No, I'm just playing, but you know I love you, boy. Keep doing what you do, man. I love you. I'll see you soon, my nigga.
Javion, it's your favorite auntie. Happy birthday. Happy 13th birthday. I am so happy that you're finally turning 13 because you've been 13 for the last 3 years, and I'm just happy that I can finally say you're 13. I wish you the best birthday ever. I can't wait to see you. I love you so much. From your favorite auntie.
Birthday, Javion.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Javion. Happy birthday, Javion. Happy birthday, Javion.
Happy birthday, Javion.
Happy birthday, Javion.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.